This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Roblox Wallpaper. We will start by navigating through various trusted platforms to discover a wide array of stunning images. You will learn how to identify high-resolution options suitable for any screen size, from a small phone to a large desktop monitor. Our focus will be on finding vibrant, crisp visuals that genuinely enhance your device's appearance, making it truly personal to you. Searching for official art is your first step towards getting crisp, authentic Roblox wallpapers. Many high-resolution images are released directly by Roblox through their main website or official social media accounts. These sources frequently offer promotional artwork for new games or events, perfect for your desktop or phone. Always prioritize these trusted channels to ensure you receive the highest quality and most accurate representations of your favorite experiences. Beyond official sources, a treasure trove of incredible fan-made Roblox art awaits you on various online platforms. Websites like DeviantArt, Pinterest, and ArtStation are filled with creative interpretations from talented artists. When exploring, remember to give credit and respect intellectual property. Many artists appreciate a shout-out or a simple message. You might discover unique styles or specific game-themed wallpapers that perfectly match your personal taste and preferences. Once you have found your ideal image, the next step is applying it as your wallpaper. Ensure the image resolution is high, aiming for at least 1920 by 1080 pixels for desktop screens or a similar size for mobile devices. On a computer, right-click the saved image and choose the Set as Desktop Background option. For phones, simply navigate to your device's gallery, select the image, and then choose Set as Wallpaper from the Options menu.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.